Hey, how you guys doing? Today, let's explore forearm stand, which is the inversion. Of course, before you practice, or if you are thinking to practice along with this tutorial, you should have already trained up your core, like maybe an hour or 30 minutes of core training, your arm training, arm strength training, and your legs training. Do some plank from to chaturanga, dandasana, and boat pose. Do some vinyasa to warm up your body. Some the inversion poses, like even downward facing dog. So to get your body used to the inverted feeling before we practice forearm stand. Or else, if you're just looking at this as a tutorial to learn the techniques, you don't have to practice before that. But let's start. So when we practice forearm stand, it's almost it's the exactly idea like how we practice the supported headstand. Okay, you will need to measure your arm distance. So try to hold your upper arm, okay, with your both palms. Then this is the measurement of the distance between your arms, where you should place your arms. Then when you do this, then open up your arms to the front, okay. Then push your palms down, push your forearm down, and then push to the side, down and to the side. Measure the arm distance, and then you open up and push your forearm down and out, okay. Push down and out, and then you lock your arm. Don't move it back again. Stay here, okay. Then slowly bring your legs up, bring your buttocks up. Walk closer to your chest, and then push your chest closer to your shin too, okay. Do it both action at the same time. Okay, create that resistance, and then slowly you can bring heels up, one leg up. Straighten the upper leg, okay, bend the lower leg, then you kick the leg up. Try to find the balance. If you can't do this, slowly down, okay. It's okay to do kick for a few times, but when you get tired, come down, okay. But if try not to kick like more than 10 times and you're still trying, you wasted all your energy trying to kick up, and then you are not going to make it at the 10 kick, okay. You think that you can do it after many jumps, but it doesn't happen that way, okay. Try to engage more and try to bring your effort to make the first few kicks or first few jump happen. Inhale, jump, and then try to bring the legs together, and then switch your gaze to your palms. Try to bring your legs up. When you come down, same thing, bring one leg down, another leg down, then come back and rest at your child's pose maybe. If you feel tired, because there are other methods to go up. If you are strong enough at your core, maybe you don't have to take chance to kick, because when you kick or you jump, there is of course higher possibility for you to drop or to fall. But if you have a core strength, maybe you can try this method, okay. But you need to have a lot of core strength to press up, okay. Slowly walk forward. It's the same idea. Push your chest closer to your shin, then walk closer, bring your heels up, toes up, slowly push yourself up. Then switch your gaze to your palms, push your forearm down, legs up. When you come down, do slowly, okay. Come back to your child's pose. All right, that's the I think that's the tips that I can give for coming up to forearm stand or your Pincha Mayurasana. Of course, I would always suggest or recommend for yoga practitioners to really practice and integrate your breathing into your practice. Like when you inhale, you want to go up, you want to bring your energy up, so you do inhalation, and when you calm down you exhale, okay? And of course when you stay at the pose you still keep breathing, okay? Don't hold your breath. You intend to hold your breath when you feel tense up and you feel nervous, okay? Because especially for those who are not used to inversion, so you feel nervous and you hold your breath. Don't do that, because we are practicing yoga, and the breath is very important for us to make the practice deeper, okay? And say when I'll do one more round. So if you want to do press up, so what do? You don't exhale. When you go up, you want to do inhale. Then you breathe. Then you want to come down, exhale. Okay? When you practice more and more, you will understand how important breath is for yoga practice, and how much it can help you to deepen your practice in any way. Okay? Alright, thank you so much for watching the tutorial. Do remember to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Namaste.